Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this brief video, I'll guide you through resetting your BT11 AC Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender to its factory settings. This can be helpful if you're experiencing connection problems or need to set it up with a different network. Resetting the BT11 AC Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender is necessary when facing connectivity issues, forgotten settings, or switching to a new network. It restores factory defaults, allowing you to perform a fresh setup and fix most performance-related problems. To get started, plug your BT Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet located roughly halfway between your main router and the area where you're experiencing weak Wi-Fi. Ensure the spot is within strong range of your router's wireless signal for best results. Next, check the back or bottom of the extender. You'll find a small reset button, typically located inside a tiny pinhole. This button is used to restore the extender to its factory settings when pressed. Take a paperclip or pin and press the reset button, holding it for around 10 seconds. Once the power light begins flashing, it means the extender is in the process of resetting to its factory default settings. Release the reset button and allow the extender to reboot for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once the power light becomes solid again, it indicates that the extender has been successfully reset to its factory settings and is ready to be set up. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance at any time. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713. And that's all. Your BT Wi-Fi extender has been successfully reset to factory settings and is now ready for a fresh setup. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Catch you in the next video.